Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Chevy Equinox key fob here. It works for these models and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is press this button over here to open your mechanical key. And when you open this mechanical key over here, like this, you see this hole here, and we need to remove this back piece. And the easiest way to remove this back piece over here is just from this hole, just take with your fingers, your thumbs, hold here, and just push up, and this way you can very easily remove this back piece. And when you remove this back piece, right after that here you see your dead battery. And to remove the battery, take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip here or here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here, just take your new battery and insert it like this. And when you insert your new battery, also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. This step here is very important. And now when you insert your new battery, take this back piece again, make sure you fit it nicely over here, all corners have to match perfectly, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.